Hi gorgeous, how are you? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to do the strawberry makeup look using only affordable products. It is one of the latest trends on TikTok and I really like it because it is very fresh and playful. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm posting videos every week. And let's start with the first step of this makeup look, which is glowy skin. And I'm going to be using a new product by Catrice Cosmetics. This one is a soft glam filter fluid. And I have the shade 15 Light. I'm going to be using this all over the face. We want dewy skin, and this makeup look is basically the clean girl makeup trend, but with more blush and different colors on the lips. And this primer is perfect for the strawberry makeup look. Now I'm pressing this all over the face, and you can see it can instantly give such a beautiful natural glow. This primer doesn't do much for the pores if they are visible, so you can use a pore minimizing primer on this area if you want to make them less noticeable. For foundation, I want something natural but also some coverage, so I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour Skin Tint. I have the shade 5, and this one is gonna give a beautiful glowy finish to my skin. It is very natural, and I'm going to apply this all over the face to cover a lot of the redness that I have and discolorations. I'm curious about the next makeup trend. We have the strawberry, we have the tomato, which is very similar, we have the viral latte. So a lot of makeup trends are inspired by food or something that we're drinking. Are we gonna have something with pumpkin for fall? Pumpkin spice latte. And now I'm adding just a tiny bit more on this area that my veins are still visible. I want a clean canvas for all of the blush that I'm gonna apply. And for the eyes, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I have the shade 10, and I'm going to apply this all over the under eye area, also towards the brow bone and the eyelid. Now I'm covering a little bit the smile lines, the chin and the forehead, and with the same sponge I'm going to blend everything together. I'm also taking the shade 15 of the same concealer, and I'm going to add this all over the eyes because the shade 10 is a little bit darker for this foundation that I applied. I didn't realize it in the beginning, and then I blended it out and it doesn't match so well. Now my concealer looks a lot better. After that, it is the most exciting part. We're going to apply the blushes and create the core of the strawberry makeup look. I have here two blushes by Pixi. It is the On The Glow Blush Tinted Moisture Stick. And I have two shades here. One is Ruby and the other one is Flare. And these are the perfect strawberry colors. So I'm going to mix them and apply them all over the cheeks and also on the nose. I'm very excited. I'm taking now the shade Flare, and I'm going to apply on top of my cheekbone. You can touch the cheekbone and see where it is. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And now I'm taking the shade Ruby. I'm going on top of the previous shade. With the clean side of my sponge, I'm blending the two shades together. I'm applying the blushes with my fingertip to intensify the colors. Now I'm blending again. Oh, it looks so cute. Pixi has the best packaging for cream blushes, so they never dry out. For this makeup look, we don't need to apply a lot of bronzer or to contour the face. However, I want to apply some because with foundation I have covered all of the natural shadows of my bone structure. And I'm taking now the NYX Wonderstick Dual Ended Face Shaping Stick. This is the shade Universal Light, and I'm going to apply this on my cheekbone a little bit lower than the blush and also closer to my ear, to the top part of my ear. Now I'm blending with the side that I have applied the foundation, and I'm not very worried that the bronzer is very noticeable because I'm going to apply next a powder blush and I'm going to cover this. Now I feel better that I can see my bone structure again. To set all of the cream products, I'm going to use the Catrice Invisible Matte Loose Powder. This one is a transparent powder with tapping motions. I'm applying the powder all over the face. The packaging is not so good for this powder and you can see all of it on the top. I'm worried that I'm going to eat the powder. Because of the primer and also the hydrating foundation, our makeup is not gonna look matte, so we're going to still have glowy skin after an hour. We need to set the cream products, otherwise are gonna transfer on clothes or on other people, on hair. And with a smaller brush I'm also setting the concealer on the eyes. The brows are not the focal point of this makeup look, so we don't need to define them a lot. We need to keep them natural. And now I'm just removing some excess product with a Q-tip and I'm going to define them with the Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil by Maybelline. I have the shade Deep Brown. To give the feathery look to my brows, I'm gonna be using the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel, and this one is a transparent brow gel. Let's pretend my brows are sisters. And now let's go to this blush here. It is by Catrice. It is the Air Blush Glow Blush in the shade 50 Berry Haze. This is a beautiful berry blush that I'm going to apply on top of the cream blushes to intensify this berryness, strawberryness. And I'm not going to add more bronzer because I want all of the eyes to go on the blush. And I'm taking both of the colors. You can also take just the berry one. I'm cleaning my brush on a tissue that I have in front of me. And now with circular motions, I'm blending all the excess product. My nose looks punched, strawberry punched. After that, I want to apply this light pink highlighter. This one is by Essence. It is the highlighter and it is in the shade 3 Staggering. With this one, I want to intensify the pink blushes and also add some glow to the cheekbone. So, oops, I'm losing bristles. I'm going on the other one. And this way I am intensifying the glowy skin effect and also the strawberry look. Now I'm taking the brush that I have applied the blushes, the powder blush, and I'm adding the light pink highlighter on the tip of the nose and also on the bridge. Now I'm blending again with the bigger brush. We are missing something, the seeds. Strawberries have also seeds, so I'm going to create a lot of freckles. And I have here a product by Sheglam. It is the Freck Please Freckle Tint. I have the shade Fawn and I'm very excited for this part because it's going to complete this strawberry cheek effect. On my fingertip, I'm going to create the freckles, and now I'm going on my cheek and also I'm blending with the other fingers so I can create like a stamp. Now I'm also adding some dots and I really want them irregular. Freckles are never symmetrical with my clean fingers. If you don't have a product like this, you can also use a brown eye pencil or your brow pencil. And now with the tip of the brush, I'm trying to make them very irregular, but it's very difficult. It's time to create the strawberry look on the eyes as well. And I'm taking now the Rimmel Natural Bronzer and I'm applying this in the crease area, also a little bit on the eyelid. And then I'm taking the berry shade of the same Catrice blush and I'm diffusing this in the crease area as well. And then I'm using the same shades on the lower eye as well. For the inner corner, I'm taking the same highlighter that I have applied on the cheekbone. To give the aesthetic effect to the eyes, I'm going to apply eyeliner only on the outer part of the eye, and I'm gonna be using the Perfect Slim eyeliner by Loreal in the shade 1 Intense Black. I'm going to create just the line outwards. I never do my eyeliner like this, by the way. And now I'm going very close to the lashes, and because I have hooded eyes, I'm also going to connect and create a triangle, and I'm filling in this little triangle. Now I'm going on the other eye and I'm looking straight into my mirror, and I'm going again very close to the lashes on the outer third of the eye, and now I'm going to create the little triangle and fill it in. If you're not comfortable with liquid eyeliner to create a very thin line, you can also use eyeshadow and an angle brush. For mascara, I want to use this one by Catrice. It is a new mascara. It is the Go Big Go Bold 24-hour wear extreme false lash effect mascara, and I really like it because it is volumizing. I have used it one more time and I really liked it. I'm applying product on the lower lashes and of course on the upper. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite mascara from the drugstore or high-end. The eye look looks perfect with mascara, and I'm going to remove what I have now on my lips. It is this one by Catrice. It is the Lip Jam Hydrating Lip Gloss in the shade 20 Straw Baby, so exactly for our makeup look, but I'm going to remove it because I want to add more color. I'm applying just a little bit of foundation around my lips, and here I have again the cream blushes that I applied on the cheeks. These are cream and lip products, and I'm taking the berry shade. With my fingertip, I'm applying some on the lips. With a clean finger, I'm taking the shade Flare. I'm switching the finger again. And I'm applying this on the center of the lips to create like an ombre effect. With a lip brush, I'm taking again the berry shade because I want to add more on the outer part. And this way, you can also make your lips look fuller. These two shades are so beautiful. And now I'm taking the same lip gloss and I'm going to apply this all over the lips. It looks amazing. Now that I have finished with the face, I can see that my forehead needs some bronzing, and I'm taking the Rimmel bronzer again, and I'm going to apply this very close to my hairline. Yeah, it looks much better. I need the bronzer. Also a little bit on the jawline. I think my favorite part is the blushes with the freckles. It is very youthful. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite part of today's makeup look. And you can watch next the viral latte makeup look with affordable products. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!